The deltoid ABCD has an area of 18 square centimeters. What is its perimeter? Let's find the perimeter of the deltoid. Ready? We'll start by using the formula to calculate the area of a deltoid. The formula is diagonal times diagonal divided by 2. Now let's substitute the values to solve for BC. We'll multiply by the reciprocal to get BC by itself. Great! This is the length of diagonal BC. In a deltoid, the main diagonal crosses right through the other one. And yes, diagonals are perpendicular in a deltoid. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle AEB. Substitute the values in, solve, and find AE. Isolate AE to find its length. Perfect! This is the length of AE. For side ED, subtract part AD from AE. And there you have it, the length of DE. Next, let's use the Pythagorean theorem in triangle BED. Substitute the values and solve for BD. Make sure to open the parentheses correctly. And collect like terms carefully. Well done! This is the length of DB. Remember, adjacent sides in a deltoid are equal. To find the perimeter, add up all the sides of the deltoid. Finally, let's take the square root of 9. And that's how we solve this problem. Great job!